just came in today. Gonna open it. Turn this on. Good. I'm gonna try to use the receiver. This is the receiver. This mic 1 and mic 2. But since this is just only one, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donna and today I'm gonna unboxing my new DJI mini mic. I am very excited to see what's in our box. So join me today as I open it. I'm currently using the microphone, but the other audio in my videos are the built-in microphone of my cell phone. So this is the box and it's very cute. It just came in today, guys. My very own DJI. So let's unbox. I took this out. Okay, inside the box. I'm gonna check. It's here. Okay, this is the windscreen. The windscreen. This one. And mobile phone adapter. This is the camera audio cable. Or I think so. And splitter charging cable. And next, this is our receiver. This one. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a transmitter or clip magnet. I don't know. And this is our microphone. Yeah, this is the transmitter. A very own, I'm sure. And then it comes with a compact carry pouch and what's this? Silica gel trash. And this one is the manual. It's very legit. So I got this from the DJI store itself. Ooh, it's a sticker. And the instructions are all the stuff inside the pouch with the plastic. So we're gonna try to open it. So we'll test using the transmitter and the receiver. We're gonna try to use this and see if the audio is really going to be fine. So this is the magnet. Clip magnet. Oh wow, it's a very tiny piece. Ooh. And then I clip it here in my clothes. Wow, it's so tiny. So I took it off first and gonna try to turn this on. Good. And I'm gonna try use the receiver. This is the receiver, and I'm gonna plug it to my phone. Okay, this is the power button. See, it's working. We're gonna pair it with the microphone. See if there's really a difference. I'm gonna turn this one. So that means I'm gonna pair them. I'm sure. Okay, this is mic 1 and mic 2. But since this is just only one single microphone, I'm sure to do this. Pair. I don't know if this is gonna work because I ran into a problem, and because this is type C, and so yeah, my phone is iPhone and it's a lightning cord, and what we have here is the type C cord, and I'm not sure if this is working, but plug it into my type C cord, and then using my lightning, hopefully it works. I'm not sure. Okay, so that did not work, and I had to purchase another mobile phone adapter because the one that I got is a type C, as I mentioned. So okay, yeah, it's type C, and got the lightning adapter, and I'm using it right now. And so also the microphone is the audio. I think it's really good quality, and the first thing I did, I scanned this QR code right here, and I downloaded an app. It's a DJI Mimo app. It's right there. Okay, so now we're going to try the charger, and this is the cord. Since I don't have the box for the charging box, so it's sold separately, and this is a USB type. Put on the plug, and then this is the charge, the cables. This one is type C, and so what I'm gonna do is so this comes in the pouch, and so I plug it in like that, and I put the microphone here, and the other one is the receiver, but it's in my phone right now. It's connected to my phone. Then I plug the other one on the receiver. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.